Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the Mailchimp add-on by WordPress Forms. This integration is incredibly useful for anyone looking to connect their WordPress website with their email marketing campaigns, allowing you to seamlessly capture leads and grow your subscriber list directly from your site. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp website. You'll want to type mailchimp.com into your address bar. This brings you to the main Mailchimp homepage, where you can access all of their marketing tools and features. Once you're on the site, the next step is to log in to your Mailchimp account. Enter your username and password to gain access to your dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your campaigns, audiences, and integrations. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side menu. Here you'll find various options for managing your account. Click on Integrations. This section is particularly important because it houses all the apps and software that you can connect with your Mailchimp account, extending its functionality and making your workflow more efficient. By integrating third-party tools, you can automate tasks and streamline your marketing efforts. From here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all available integrations. On the top part of the page, locate the search bar. This search function makes it easy to find exactly what you need without scrolling through countless options. Type in WordPress into the search bar. This will filter the results to show you specifically the WordPress integration options available. Click on the WordPress result that appears. This action will redirect you to the App Overview page, where you'll find detailed information about how the integration works. Take a moment to scroll down and read through its features and the benefits of adding it to your Mailchimp account. Understanding what this integration offers will help you make the most of it once it's set up. You'll see details about form creation, audience syncing, and automation capabilities. Once you're ready to proceed, click on Get Started. This button initiates the integration process. You will now be directed to the WordPress plugin directory page. This is where you can access the official WordPress Forms plugin that connects with Mailchimp. Simply click the download button and you'll have your WordPress forms ready to install on your website. Once downloaded, you can upload and activate the plugin through your WordPress admin panel, configure your settings, and start capturing subscriber information directly from your forms. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the Mailchimp add-on for WordPress Forms, giving you a powerful tool to grow your email list and engage with your audience more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.